G'day guys, a question we often get asked from our farmers is what is the total cost of laying rubber in their yards? So today we're going to look into the real expenses behind yard matting and the elements affecting these costs. Our costs cover the entire procedure of purchasing rubber matting, and this involves assessment and planning, supply and installation of rubber matting, including anchors or fixings, site preparation, which could be clearing or cleaning the yard, additional health and safety measures to ensure everything runs smoothly, and of course the logistical bits, like getting everything to your farm. Of course, there are various reasons why these costs can change, such as the type of matting used. Keep in mind, not all rubber is made equal. Different grades and thicknesses have their price tags. However, Numat offer more than just the highest quality matting on the market, as our extensive range ensures we have a product and a price to meet your needs. Importantly, we back up our products and our prices with in-depth quality testing to ensure you're always making an informed decision. Now, suppose you want the benefits of rubber matting without spending big. Well, to drive down costs, you could look at choosing a lower grade matting or installing the matting yourself. It is, however, important to remember that lowering costs can often have consequences, such as a faster wearing mat or a messy install that can see you waste more money in the long run. With all that in mind, we can take a look at a few cost estimates. A 200 cow yard could require an investment of around 20 to 30k in total. A yard holding around 400 cows could cost between 45 to 65k, while a large yard, say 600 cows, could see you looking at 60 to 80k. Of course, each yard is unique, and the best way to find out more or get a custom quote is to flick us an inquiry today. From the team here at Numat, I hope this has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you centralise cow comfort and maximise your returns.